Au revoir, a simple goodbye from France. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, conversations, or perhaps when someone was leaving. Au revoir. Let's find out what it means and how it's used in the English-speaking world. Au revoir is a French phrase which literally translates to, until we see each other again. It's a common way of saying goodbye in French-speaking countries. Although it's a French phrase, it's been adopted by many English speakers, especially in formal settings or when they want to add a touch of sophistication to their goodbye. In English, when people use au revoir, they usually do so to 1. Impart a formal tone. It's more formal than just saying bye or see ya. 2. Convey a sense of style or elegance. Using foreign phrases can sometimes add a touch of class or flair to a conversation. 3. Indicate a temporary farewell. Since au revoir means until we see each other again, it implies that the parties intend to meet again. While it's important to note that au revoir is pronounced with a French accent, in English-speaking contexts, you might hear variations. However, a close approximation would be au revoir. Remember, when saying it, you're adding a bit of French charm to your goodbye. If you enjoy using au revoir, you might also like adieu, a more final goodbye in French, meaning farewell. Ciao, an Italian word used for both hello and goodbye. Sayonara, a Japanese word for goodbye. So there you have it. Now you not only know the meaning of au revoir, but you also know how and when to use it in your conversations. Learning such phrases can be fun and can add a touch of global sophistication to your vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and, as they say in France, au revoir, until our next video.